Well, hopefully we're recording. June 29th. Oh, it's just got a Jeep in the middle of the road. So I planned a route on Google, and I put it on my phone, and well, you know, something happened. I think this morning when I was clearing out my phone, I just kind of swiped those directions away, and so I went to the gas station, and I thought I hit on take me where I wanted to go today. Well, no, I didn't. It took me to an HEB. For all of you that don't know, an HEB is like a Kroger or a high-class Walmart. Nice motorcycle, nice motorcycle. So yeah, here we are. Hopefully finding my way back to where I want to be. I just kind of looked on Google and was like, I want to go there, and clicked on it and said, take me to this location. So here we are. So questions. I don't know what to talk about today. So who uses a cell phone over a GPS, and why do you use a cell phone over GPS or GPS over cell phone? I use a cell phone. It's easier. But lately, since I've been riding in areas that I am very unfamiliar with, if I'm going to go somewhere decently far, not just an hour or two up the road, I'm going to take the GPS for backup. My GPS is just a Garmin. I can't Bluetooth it to my helmet. I don't even have a RAM mount on here anymore, so I don't quite know how I would use it. Maybe just, you know, oh, I need to go here, and then I'll stop and look. Okay, now I need to go here type thing. Oh, we're going slow. So today we're going into Canyon Lake. I was talking to Debbie last night, and she said it's kind of like a resort for the military, so a lot of it is gated off. So we'll see if we can get to where I want to go. If not, we'll get kind of close, and then I'm just going to turn around and go home. It is what it is, you know. I'm just out for a ride. It'd be nice to pass these people. And I still haven't found that road yet. But, you know, I'm finding roads that I absolutely enjoy. So I was listening to Sirius XM on my way here, and I was like, I'm tired of this station, so I switched back over to Pandora. I usually listen to Pandora and music in my helmet, so I guess that will be question number 2. When you are out on rides, do you listen to music? Don't you listen to music? Do you think it's a distraction having music in your helmet? I love listening to music. I listen to music, I get lost in my head, and I ride and I look at new scenery or old scenery. It doesn't matter at all. Definitely listen to music. I don't listen to podcasts because if I had to listen to a podcast and I wanted to really listen to that podcast, oh, this is kind of cute. Look at this, kind of rolly, hilly. I can dig this. If I really want to listen to that podcast, I'm going to have to take my attention off the road. And music, I don't have to do that. Music's just in the background doing its thing. It would be really nice to be able to pass these two cars. Like that. Bear Creek. Nice. Yeah, you know, I just want to still find that road. It's a nice little rocky, cricky, dammed up little. It's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm still looking for that road, you know, that I can just hop on and ride. And I haven't been riding much. I haven't ridden since the last video I made riding. I didn't even post this last weekend, so I'm not even getting one ride in a week, which is fine. I want to ride a little bit more. I got some stuff for the Spider. We're going to be doing some mirror fixing. That's right, fixing of mirrors because they're horrible. We're going to be flushing of the brake fluid, which every 2 years you need to do. I haven't done it yet. So we're going to test it. I'll show you how to test it while we're testing it. the tools I'm going to use, and maybe we will get someone that's never worked on a vehicle before in their life to help me not only work on this Spider, but then to actually perform the service. That's what I think we're going to do. I think it'll be cool. If not, then, you know, I'll just do it myself and show you what I use. Purchased a new tool just for this, and it was super cheap. It was like 16-17 bucks. So about anybody out there that has a Can-Am Spider hopefully can afford this tool for $16-17. Got it off of Amazon, and we'll go from there. this is nice. It's a nice little road. Now, since I did not go where I wanted to go, I need to keep in mind half a mile. 2722. Oh. At least it has a wheel on the back of it. Don't you? That looks like a nice little road, or does it go right to the highway? As my phone is talking to me, slight left. I am just looking. I dig this. I wish the roads, though, were like mountainy roads, or like Southern Ohio, twisty, roller coastery roads, you know? Like a road in between there. That would be awesome. Yeah, so anybody in the San Antonio area, like I said, I'm heading to Canyon Lake. If you know of any little twisty roads, I mean, this is kind of a decent road. I'm not bashing where I'm at and what I'm doing, because I think it's a nice road. But I want, like, look through my old videos and look at some of the roads, like 374 and 664, and I mean, those roads are just on point. Fisherman. Campbell Drive. Like the soup. It's kind of cool up in here. Fireworks, anybody? I think we're going to turn here. Dietert. We're going to go this way, and then we're going to go into Dietert. Dietert. How far down do we turn left? Okay, concentrating, people. Dietert. Cross the creek. And we're going to go into Gallagher. Oh, up there where that SUV is. That's a cute house. Kind of reminds me of Florida, kind of, sort of. You get into the little barrier islands, and, you know, houses are cut out from the undergrowth. If it makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Okay, and then we're going to go down here. We're going to make another turn. Bloop, bloop. Yeah, see, I need to ride in this area more. This looks pretty cool. This looks promising. Hey, what's going on there? Yeah, okay. Just driving, riding, whatever we're doing. Hill blocks view. Canyon Bend. Now that sounds like a road. Quarter mile, people. Oh, nice. Nice house. Really nice houses through here. Okay, Deborah K. I think I found where we want to live. Go, go, go. That's a unique login style house. But no, I mean, these houses are super cute. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. It's going to be another warm 100-degree day. It's 11:47 a.m. 11:47? No, it's 10:47. I haven't set my clock yet. So it's not even 11 o'clock yet, and we're looking at 91 degrees already. So that'll be the third question. So what do we got? We got the music, we got the phone or GPS. Como. I forget what I was gonna. I forget. Ooh, we'll go this way. We're going this way. We'll just see what's down in here, even though I probably shouldn't be. I just want to see the lake. I want to see what it looks like. And we're not going to get to go see it here. Well, I think I'm going to head back. I wish I could have, would have, should have seen the lake, but you know, it's okay. There's a lake back in here somewhere. Boat ramp 5. Boat ramp closed. I wonder if they can see the lake. And why are all the boat ramps closed? There's the lake. I see the lake. Wow. The lake, I would say, is really down. Okay, there we go. That is the ride today. We made it to the lake. It looks like we need a lot of water down here. Good thing I don't have a boat. I definitely moved to the wrong state. So, on that, I guess I'm going to end it. Stay safe, everybody. Yeah, let's do that. Give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe. See everybody down the road.